Right, so quick video about how to make a spiked rat trap. Slightly different to the normal ones, because most people, what they do is drill holes in the bottom of the wood and put the spikes or the nails through the bottom of the wood. And then that would work by the bar coming down and striking the animal on the back and pushing the animal onto the spikes. But I'm going to do this one where the bar itself has the spikes on it, so they would swing down with all the full force and go into the back of the neck of the animal. So first of all, I'm going to take off the normal rat trap. It's better if you use a rat trap where you've got a gap between the treadle and the bar. It's better, but you could do it with any one, even if the treadle was the full size. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the spring so the bar is just loose. I've got two little strips of aluminium. You could use wood, but it would be better with aluminium, or you could use plastic. And they're just a little bit longer than the bar is. So I'm just going to mark off. I'm just going to put one on. I'll mark off where I want a hole each side to put a bolt. Don't know if you can see that, but I've marked it there and there. I'm going to put this one on top of it. I'm going to drill two holes. Going to drill straight through. Didn't want to go through both of them at first for some weird reason. Drill bit must be slightly blunt. Right, so I've got two, see there, two bits drilled right through. I'm just going to take off any bits on the backs and fronts of them. See if my nails will go through there. Nails will fit through. So one of these, we now want to drill a load more holes to put the nails in. That should work out alright. Yeah. So in that one, I'm going to drill a load more holes. And in this one, with all the holes, you want to put your nails through it. However many you've got. Right, so you get your bar, and it's got a strike that way, so you want to put that there. Get your other bar and put your 2 bolts through it. One on top and one on the bottom. Once they're nearly in place, you get yourself a screwdriver, bring this right to the end, and then do these up. And you can adjust these as well, just by undoing them or doing them up tighter. I'll do this up and show you. Now essentially that is it done. Alright, and your bar will just go over the top again to one of your things. I'll set it in a minute and show you. But you could, if you wanted to, cut some slots here for these actual nails to like go into, so this actually goes right down as it's meant to do, which is probably what I'm going to do. If it was a bit longer or if it was further in, you could just drill corresponding holes, but I might just file or something, some bits down here for this to fit into. Setting it is exactly the same as normal. Got to be a lot more careful now though.